Another day, another vlog! Hi guys! Yes! Good morning! Samahan nyo kami today to explore Luray Caverns. So it's gonna be 2 hours and 30 minutes drive from Alexandria. And let's see kung anong meron doon sa Luray Caverns. Samahan nyo kami! It's gonna be fun! Umuulan today dito sa Alexandria, but sabi ni Maps, sabi ng AccuWeather, it's gonna be sunny and cloudy there sa Luray Caverns. So let's see and find out. Sana ay mag-enjoy tayong lahat sa video na ito. Tara na! Hi mga Mars!
Welcome to Luray Caverns!
Yeah!
Let's go, Zimmer, share balloon.
Si, andyan ka na naman kay Tita Lia. Dito ka kay Daddy. Halika dito kay Daddy. Pagod na sila Tita Lia sa iyo. Halika dito.
Ang ganda naman dito. Parang parang French Riviera. Parang home for the aged yung setup niya.
Kaya pala puro matatanda.
Nagwa-walking. Medyo malayo pa guys, so patayin ko muna to. Mahaba-haba pa to. Ito na pala siya from there sa Welcome Center at saka yung sa Bayaran. Ito na siya, beautiful caverns na. So we're gonna go inside. Parang hindi ko in-expect na maganda yung entrance ng Parang Mosileo lang. Okay, so you get your ticket scan there, and then we're gonna go in to the beautiful caverns of Luray. Oo naman, bakit? Picture ba siya?
Family muna?
Ay, wag na, hindi na. Ha? Hindi na, kayo na lang. Ang dami nito, may film to eh. Ay, parang nakita ko na to sa vlog. Oh shucks, parang nakita ko na to before. Oh. Oh my God. How a cave is formed. Grabe, sa ilalim lang nung building na yun. tong cave. Ang kulit. Moist. Zion. Hi. Oh my goodness. Moist. Hindi na Mars. Ayos lang. Kaya gusto ko mauna kayo para kasama kayo.
Grabe naman.
Wow. Kaso pinutol nila.
Grabe. Ang ganda niya.
Stalagmites and stalactites.
Asa ko?
So cool.
Welcome to the Luray Caverns as y'all go through today. Please stay on the pathways at all times and please do not touch or handle the caverns formations. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Grabe naman to. Ang galing guys. As in, na-set up nila agad to ng... Oh my God. Ano, saan tayo? To the left, to the right? Ayan, paakyat. Siyempre, pinagkakakitaan nila to, diba? $37 per person. Napaka-komportable naman. Grabe. Come on, Z. This is what you call amphitheater. Oo. Doon na sinalihan. Ayaw pumunta dito. Ang dami dito maganda.
Tita Uya?
Wow. So beautiful. So pretty.
Where's the water?
Yes.
I'm gonna put some...
Stalactites form from the top papunta sa baba. Then when it reach together, it will be stalagmites. Z, can you please stand here?
Dahil walang tao.
Ayan o, there's a passage. Go, 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 Z. Watch out. Para siyang, alam niyo yun, yung... para siyang yung ano, design sa mga simbahan sa taas. Fish market. So we came from there. I don't know. Wow. Parang baka paglabas natin nasa Narnia na tayo. Wow. Wow. This is the Dream Lake. Alam mo yun, para siyang civilization, para siyang lugar nung... Tubig ba yan? It's all water. See that? That's water. That's reflection from the water. Super magical.
Sí, pero mira la intensidad de esto, esta es la música de acá no me parece.
¿O tú quieres también tuyo como así?
Yo quería una, o yo soy
No. Z, mapapagalitan tayo. Don't throw anything. I think it affects also yung light na ginagamit nila. Kaya may mga areas na wala nang... Para na siyang patay. Zion. Pero maganda siya. It's just that... Ayan, katulad yan, patay na siya. Tapos pinangalanan nila na Pluto's Ghost. Wow! Looks like an angel. Nakakuha ka ba ng picture dun sa reflection? Picture o video lang? Zion, don't go there. It's not part of the trail. Come on, walk.
You're right. You're the orchid. You're the orchid purple one. Where's the other girl? Where's the Frank? You see that? Look.
Huwag hawakan, sabi. Sayang. Mama, pag-aagalitan tayo. Ito, pwede mo makakapag.
Sayang.
Grabe, ang lamig ng bato, mahal.
Oo nga.
Ito mo naman parang tayo naka-easy.
Nature. Ito tumigil na. Ito rin tumigil na. Pero basta itong nasa bunbunan natin. Ayan. Siguro ang ganda kung kakanta ka dito, no? Umitae. Titania's Veil. Titania's Veil.
Mokka here. Oh, that hole. We have a hole. I found a hole up there, and I found a hole bigger. And the smaller.
Any entrance?
Hiya.
Hindi pa. It's made by nature. That's why it's amazing.
It's not. It's not.
Look at that. It looks like a cave.
No, it's not.
Mahal, ang ganda, oh. Dito na? Or malapit? Para siyang matumba na dun. Where's your balloon? Where do you think it went? Ayun na, Mams! Hi!
Moms! Moms! Moms!
Nagpo sila sa kabila.
Moms! Yeah, Mommy, can you pass up my love?
Parang amoy paniki. Actually, may molds na siya. Ayun o, mahal. Ayun o, molds yan ah. Mahal o. May mga chair. Ibig sabihin, nag-event sila dito. May mga chair. Nakatago. Picture. Here. So there's a vision. Pero mas maganda to. Zion!
Bilis, picture doon kay Daddy. Isa lang. Daddy, sabay ko. Man, talikot ko isang beses yan.
Mommy, can I hold my hand? Can I hold my hand?
It's moist. Look at that.
Yeah.
It looks like a brain.
No, it's not a
It's a human brain.
brain.
Yeah. Wow. This looks super alive. Wow. Watch out. Watch out.
No, they are slippery. They are slippery. Yes. Ooh, ew. That's super gross water.
Ay, super moist na sa part na to. Ang ganda.
Oh, is it melting my
It's super moist. It means that it is still thriving. It's still alive. I think we are done. Yeah.
We are under there. We are.
We deserve a good breakfast, don't you think?
We are under there.
Oh, we're not yet done. Veterans from Page County who lost their lives in Vietnam. Yay!
Just minutes.
Yeah,
Pini-exit nga agad nila tayo.
this is the exit.
Have a good one, folks.
Hindi pala pwede umuli.
Panibagong bayad na yan.
So we're done.
No, it's not yet.
It's done. It's finished.
No, it's not yet. Where's Tita Leah? Where's Tita Leah?
They're coming. Tira mo tong asawa ko, sinaraduhan ako.
I want a sprinkle.
Baka na, sige ito ako mag-video.
Mayaman nga sila. Yung mga ganyan sila eh. Wow, ang ganda naman.
Tingin nyo sinakyan. Cinderella.
Mayaman sila para magkaroon ng ganitong car nung panahon na yun. Mas malaki pa sa'yo, Jobs.
Ito yung paggawa ng popcorn to.
Ito, binila lang. Ito may engine na.
May?
May engine na.
Ang galing naman.
naman niya. Hi! Try natin. Tingnan natin. Pagka nakaya ni Mate. Saan tayo tatambay dyan?
Yan lang, sa gilid lang.
Z! Shh!
Wait for us. Ba, ang galing naman ni Popsi ah. Ang taas agad ah.
Hey, Matt! Mahal! Ingat ka doon.
Natawa palagi ang anak natin ha. Gusto ko na agad po.
Oh.
Parang gusto ko siyang itry.
Ay, ganyan pala yan. Tapos, pag nadulas ka rin.
Bakit nagalaw, no?
Oo.
Pwede ka na mag-firefighter.